Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is just a very brief update. Just going to take a look at a little back bed that I've added here on the back of the mini golf course. We'll go take a look at that. Some of the new plant ideas for back there and that as well. But also, one other thing that I'm going to be experimenting is with this baby Dixonia. I have now stuck it into the pond, and that's just to kind of give it ample sources of water here. Now, this was the one that we had from the beginning of the year that's done absolutely nothing, so I've kind of waited throughout the summer to have any sort of growth on it. Nothing has appeared, not even any signs of anything. And in sort of research, I've found that some people have had very good luck with essentially putting their tree ferns directly into water. Just giving them a constant supply of water on that one. So hopefully last ditch effort on this one here before we look to dig it out and put a small fern in it if it doesn't do anything. So we're going to leave this in the water here and just see if we get any sort of signs of growth on it. Now just stepping up, this is hole number 3 of the mini golf course. Just walking down to hole number 2. What we have added here is just a rough brick line for the moment, just to get an idea of kind of how wide I want this bed to be. We'll be kind of taking back all the artificial grass there as well. So here, this has been here for over a year now. This is the wisteria. Now it has grown up the fence and started to trail quite a bit, so we're going to try and train that along the back of the fence all the way over to the shed here. Hopefully get that going across. This was a late season pickup here. This is a Sabara, I believe. Now it is deciduous. I quite like the leaf patterning on it. Quite sort of pretty leaves. Now it does also throughout the year sort of change colors with the seasons. So you get kind of nice yellows and reds towards the end of the year and zingy greens when it comes out in the beginning there. So on this area here we have added one of the grasses, cutting here from the heavenly bamboo. That's from the plant that I have just down the back end by the pond area. Taking cutting here, and again, just going to see what happens here. I've attached it to the fence just to hold it still while it's hopefully rooting. I have had luck moving these and just plopping in the ground with them kind of continuing to grow. So again, I'm not hugely fussed if this doesn't make it, but we'll just see as a bit of an experiment here. You've got a small rhododendron. Now this, I believe, was reduced down to 50p last year. Has come up very nicely now. This was at Morrison's, which is one of the local supermarkets. And you can see I've kept this one in a pot. This is one of the cuttings of the black bamboos. Now again, this was running out into the garden, so I just literally chopped it, whacked it in a pot, see if anything would happen, and it has come to leaf and put up a small cane. I'm going to probably try and keep that in the pot and just have a little tiny stand of bamboo here off the back, and next to that is one of the bargain trachycarpuses here. Just lastly, just to show you guys here, the tetrapanix leaves have gotten really great size now, so I think, you know, it's finally getting its roots in and getting quite happy. Of course, thanks for watching. Any suggestions for any other plants or things that we could kind of add into the borders here, certainly drop a comment, let us know. Of course, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.